Yo!
What's good, everyone?
You got no pack over here, guys. This is the Madden Ultimate Team Game Changer packs. I want to get the big bundle, but the bundle is crazy, bro. There's too much on my money right there, bro. So we're going to open up 2 packs. 2 packs right here, guys. Then we open some pro packs for you guys right here, man. This is, I hope that we at least, Christ's sake, at least get one. One good pull, dog. Benjamin Watson.
Watson.
Watson? Ooh.
Watson, baby boy.
I know, I'm tired, you know what I mean? I'm tired,
yeah,
baby.
Sure. Usama Young.
Come on, baby. Leap! Come on, baby. Come on, Mike Adams. Come on. Ellie! 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 No! He's not worth nothing!
Well...
What? Straight goes. Oh, we got a Tundra, though. We got a Tundra. Oh, hold on. Mutt gift exchange. I ain't training, baby. Here we go, baby. One more, baby. One more game changer, baby.
Let me do it.
You got it, baby. You got this, baby. You got this, baby. You got this, baby.
That.
Go down. There you go, babe. You got this, babe.
I got it. Cedric. Tyson. Dan.
You got some, I feel it, babe. You got to give. Okay, you got to give.
Willie.
Don't cheese us. No! Don't cheese! Come on, we still got a chance. Bro. Bro.
Sorry.
Bro. Wow. So much for the good game changer packs, babe. Wow. Come on, baby. We got that right here, baby.
Pro packs?
Just regular pro pack, babe. I feel we're going to get some.
Don't they suck, though?
They suck compared to the game changers, but we're going to pull them on. We're going to pull them anyway. Elite. 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 Cheese.
That's some cheese.
We got tundras. All good, baby. We got some tundras, though. We got some tundras this thing, bro. We got some tundras. Come on, Sam. Come on, Taylor. Santa Claus? Come on, baby.
Wow. Wait, you didn't get anybody?
We got some tundras, baby. We got 2 tundras. We got 2 tundras. We got 2 tundras. You go. Okay, we pulling these tundras. A tundra. I think it almost guaranteed tundra. The tundras we can as a potential set in action.
Charlie.
Knock it out. Knock it out, Cass. Knock it out, Cass. Knock it out, Cass. Knock it out, Cass. What did we get? What did I? Oh. Another tundra. They're all good. 2 tundra cheese. It's all good. Last one here, baby. No more.
Dang.
So we only got one leak today. That's crazy. Another Tundra. I'm gonna add Tundra to the quick sale, bro. I'm not. We ain't quick sell them. We gonna sell them. We got to the set. We're gonna complete one of them. Oh, we got a gift exchange. So did I trade him or what? That Eddie bad boy to the set right here, dog. Let's go ahead to the set, dog. Let's Eddie bad boy to the set. Let's see what we get, bro. Add to the set, cheese. Frozen Tundra. I think we got like 5 Tundras, huh? Never sure.
That?
About 6. Alright, well, gift pack. Let's see if we get a gift pack. I know we got to do a present. Okay. We got a stocking. Nobody know what it is. Could be quick. I think it's quick sale, though. I think the quick sale, though. Why not? Why not with some more? Why not complete some more? Why not? Let's go ahead and buy it now. Oh no. We're going to complete one more. Complete one more. Wow, people are buying these Tundras like it ain't nothing. And it's it, baby. One more, complete one more, bro. And that gonna be it. Come on, we got this right here. They charge yourself for a lot, though. Add to the set. Gotcha. What? They do the soap. Oh, we got it right there. I was like, what the? Whoa! What is it, cheese? What was that? What was that, cheese? I didn't open it back. Don't cheese me like this.
What happened?
The patch is, oh no. What could this be? That might be a player right here. Might be a player right there, guys. They forgot some of them watching Packer right here, guys. Hit that yeet button. We out here, guys.